Have you ever tried to fake your color season?
Right. Maybe you just found out what season you are and your favorite color isn't in your season at all.
Which is the worst. I think I did that when I found out my color. I was like, no, I want to be in autumn, but that's too bad. You're a summer. But the truth is, color analysis is not about limiting your colors. It's really about opening up the door to discovering what works best with your features.
Right. So while yes, you can kind of fake your color season, you cannot just completely transform your season.
Right. And what we mean by that is if you're one of the muted color seasons, for me, like a summer, I am probably not going to really look good in those like jewel tones, vibrant colors, or things with high contrast. It's just not going to benefit me in any way to add those, especially like next to my face.
Right. And so since I'm a warm season, I'm an autumn, I will never be able to just pull from the icy colors in winter just because they're going to be too harsh. They're going to wash me out and they're really just not going to look good.
Right. So the first tip then is to keep those colors away from your face. You can wear them, just wear them like in a pants or a skirt, a purse, maybe an open blazer or something like that.
Right. So anything the closer to your face it is, the more influence it's going to have on how you look. So if it's a color that's not your season, just wear it as something else.
Yeah. So another tip, this is probably my favorite tip, is to use makeup. And so I've done this before when I want to wear more of a warm, especially in autumn. When it is fall outside, it is hard to find summer colors.
Right.
And so sometimes I want to pull from those autumns, which is great because autumn's a muted color season as well as summer. So it's like a neighboring color season. I can pull from that. But if I do that, I want to warm up my foundation a little bit, maybe my eyeshadow a little bit, just to bring in those warm colors. Is it going to complement me the best? No. But can I pull it off? Yes.
Right. And then don't go ahead and reinvent your makeup look just for one outfit. But little small adjustments will kind of help kind of more harmonize your look if you want to wear a color that's in a different palette.
Yeah, and I will say that is so true. So I do have some warm makeup in my house, but I didn't buy the most expensive brand. I went and got just like some Target makeup and some eyeshadow just to be able to pull off that look a little bit more. So don't go have two complete different sets of makeup. You don't have to do that because you're not going to be wearing those colors every day.
Right. And so you may think that like if you dye your hair and certain colors might start looking better than they used to before, or suddenly you can just pull off like a brighter color and you've never been able to do that. That doesn't mean that your color seasons change. That just means that your hair is kind of impacting the way the color affects your undertone.
Yeah, the colors aren't completely transforming you. Your season is never going to change. So the colors just affect how like it interacts with your overall appearance and your hair color.
Right. And so if you have a color you love, like if you love blue and you think, oh no, I'm a autumn, I'm not going to wear blue, there's a shade of any color in your season. There will be a shade that will look better on you, especially like reds. Reds I feel like are hard. There's so many different shades of reds. There's blue reds, orange reds. It's just really helpful to know your season and kind of really the undertone. Is it warm or cool?
Yeah, and I think a good thing is just to know color analysis is a tool. It's not a rule book. And so if you have colors you love, wear them because you're going to feel confident in them no matter what.
Right. And so you can fake your color season a little bit, but you will never be able to be just a completely different season.
Right. The best tip is just learning how to adapt to the colors that are in your season and that you love and find those shades and colors that work with your true coloring.
So, do you have colors you wear that you know are not in your palette, but you're going to wear them anyways? Let us know in the comments below.
And be sure and like, share, and subscribe.